Okay, I think that this is dried good enough. Let's go back again to our big dent, and it's major dent, so I need to see if it's even gonna pull the entire thing. And again, those two circles, you want it to be as close as possible to the area, but not too close. And then there is a crown here. I'm going to show you in a second how we're going to drop it. Start turning it gently until it starts building pressure, and keep going. When you hear this, yeah, it's pulled it a little bit more. So I am probably about another 1/4 inch better right now. So let's pull the other one, and I'm gonna show you guys. This is a very nasty dent on a very thick metal. The Triumph motorcycle, their material is pretty thick, but it's not mean that it's not durable. You just have to do it couple times and couple tries. Now when you order your kit, there is a kit that have 1/2 inch glue and a 1/4 inch. Try to order the 1/2 inch, the 1/4 inch, just a waste of time. It will take you forever to do anything with it. Okay, this one don't really want to cooperate, but it did pull it a little bit. Yeah, it's much better actually. So we're gonna pull a couple more and show you guys, and actually I should pull a couple more without showing you guys, so you guys not wasting the time on this. And again, you're gonna have to repeat it. This is kind of a nightmare because you have to keep doing it over and over and over. So make sure you have patience. If you don't have patience, do not try to do this. You're only gonna cause more damage and you're gonna get frustrated. That's it. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it for a minute, pull it out, and repeat the action and show you in a few minutes what happened.